Thanks for tuning in to the French Kiss Cook. Let's make our chicken and dumpling recipe for the ultimate comfort and bold flavors. Now that we've got our Dutch oven and ingredients ready, we can start by drizzling olive oil in our preheated Dutch oven and cooking our cubed chicken. While the chicken is cooking, chop up all your carrots, onions, celery, and garlic and set aside. Deglaze your Dutch oven with your butter and then cook your celery, onions, and carrots for about 4 to 5 minutes. Then add your pinch of salt, your herbs and garlic and cook for another 2 minutes. Sprinkle the flour on top and stir so that it gets absorbed by the juices of the veggies. Deglaze the pan with the broth and bring to a simmer while we make our dumpling mixture. Combine all your dry ingredients in the bowl and whisk it together. Add in your chopped chives, and then in the center, combine the Greek yogurt and your milk. Stir them together and then start bringing the flour mixture to the center to incorporate. You'll want to get a lumpy mixture and definitely do not want to overmix. Place the chicken back into the soup and then start scooping your dumplings right into the broth. Once they're all scooped in there, add the lid and cook for 10 to 15 minutes. And there you have it, a delicious chicken and dumpling soup. Thanks for watching. Click on the icon to subscribe to our channel and on the video for more recipes.